What's up, YouTube? On the way to Alabama truck meet. I'm finna go out there and see what's up. This is my first time putting my actual Jeep in the show, so hopefully we win some. I'm not expecting to win nothing though, but if we do, then that's a win for us in the channel. So I'll see you guys when we get there.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. In
hey, y'all get that shit now. You gotta go get that shit. That shit fire, baby. Yeah, what's up with you?
See, I'm chilling, bro. Yeah,
cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, he need to be relaxing, he need to do your taxes. We went triple you see me down in the house, so you got that respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. Had it all, but now I'm richer than I've ever been. 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 I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit 'em with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, flexing my muscles. I feel like cause we come from nothing, new rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the ice. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumbing through racks. He tuck and get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder what we
BTSO, sponsor me. I'm putting y'all in my video. BTSO, sponsor me.
See how you can be, either you gon' stop.
here so big. This motherfucker pressure. Like, look at this shit. Motherfucker tall as hell. Hold the camera. Like, look how tall it is compared to me. Look at this. What the fuck? Bro, that shit is crazy. This motherfucker is huge. Like, if I was standing in front of this truck, this motherfucker would not see me. Like, this bitch is big as hell, bro.
Crazy as hell, what's going on with the dude?
That wiring could be better. I'll just talk shit. Hey, whoever truck this is, I fuck with it. I don't know what this means, but OFS, DFS, man, whatever. Little bitch right here clean as hell. That motherfucker on some motherfucking B13. No, y'all can't hear me, but Suds in the back. Wall right here. That motherfucker clean. I like that. I like that. I like that. Hey, when I say color match, I think they took the word color match like literally. Like literally, this is color match. Like these motherfuckers even come on, bro. Look at this shit. This is literally color match. Yeah, in the building.
Welcome to Eternal Return.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, it came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4 door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4 door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4 door. I got a side of head, it's the
We had to get some of that Cajun chicken pasta. Ooh, I'm on that shit look good. Oh my. YouTube. We got Best Jeep. Yes, sir. And guys, it's crazy because, bro, people were stealing awards. Oh my God, look at this truck right here. Oh my. But like I was saying, guys, people were stealing awards, bro. People stole like 10 awards. They ended up shutting the meet down quick because an underage kid was drinking, fucking fell off the back of a truck, injured himself, bust his head open, and they had to call the ambulance. And that's why everybody's leaving right now, guys. So the show had to end. But shout out to Pop in the Mail. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to them boys. They put on a good show. It wasn't able to go on as long as it could have, but it still was a good turnout. And like I said, guys, this is the end of the video. Might not be the end of the video. I'll probably vlog a little bit after this, but yeah, guys, this is the end of the show footage. So I'll see you guys in this clip. YouTube, Red Track Supply.
Did you even record?
I got on right now. That's how you know I shot the Track Supply, guys. I use exact proof. Yeehaw. So yeehaw. I don't know what's going on, guys. I gotta stop. Fire trucks. Look like an ambulance down there or whatever that happened. I just pray and hope that whoever is okay. Guys, if you're drunk, don't be driving even though I'm drunk and I'm driving. But damn, I hope whoever's okay.